Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. What's going on, beautiful people? Got a super easy recipe for you today. We're going to be making Persian style herbed rice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Massive shout out to my auntie for giving me this recipe. If you like vegan food, vegetarian, plant-based recipes, remember there are no animals or animal products on the channel. Hit the like button, hit subscribe. I will love you for it. Folks, have a good week. Let's get cooking.
So, as the first step, we're going to start off by washing our rice several times until the water comes out transparent. Then we're going to let it soak for about 10-15 minutes. In the meantime, we're just going to soak our greens in water just to give them a nice clean. Then we're going to shred our garlic cloves, get them nice and small, and once that's done, we're just going to drain our greens. Now we're going to slice them very, very thin, literally just shredded, both the coriander or cilantro and the dill. You can also use parsley, by the way, we just omitted it this time. Now once that's been soaked, we're now just going to dry the rice so that you don't want it splashing once you put it in the oil. Give it about 20 minutes. Now on a low flame, we're going to add oil and we're going to add our rice. Now we're going to stir that until the rice has been dried of all the oil, and then we're going to add our garlic. I've sped this up. Then we're going to add our aromatics and our greens. Give it a good stir, make sure it's nice and all incorporated. Then we're going to add 4.5 cups of boiling water. Once that's done, we're going to use a towel to cover it and then put the lid on top. The reason we use the towel is because we don't want the steam to stay in there. Then we're going to chop up our spring onions. And after about 15-20 minutes, the water should have evaporated. And we're going to set that aside just to soak in its own heat. Now, just as a side dish, I'm just making a quick shawarma. And there you have it. Just going to sprinkle our spring onions on top. And there's your Persian herbed rice. Wonderful.
Beautiful people, what is up? Let's have a go. So here we've got our rice. Sorry about the darkness, I'm just under the shade because it's really, really hot today. About 40 degrees where I am. So we've got the Persian rice and we've got the shawarma. Do comment down below if you want me to ever show you how I make this. The only thing is it's store-bought seitan, which I've not yet mastered how to make seitan. That's the only problem. It always comes out tasting like the wheel of a truck whenever I make this. So I just buy the store-bought one. I will eventually make my own, but for the moment, just comment down below, make the shawarma, and I will. Now we're going to give the rice a try. As you can see, it's herbaceous. How's that for a word? Herbaceous all over. I'm going to give it a try. That is wonderful. You can taste the dill more than you can taste the coriander, or cilantro, my American buddies. It's nice and fluffy though. It is lovely. Very, very nice. Look at. Oh yeah, I made a post saying that I'm going to be doing a Q&A. So if you have any questions you'd like me to answer in there, do feel free to write down any questions you may have for me unrelated to the food or related to the food, either way. Doesn't matter. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, as always, leave a like, leave a comment down below, and of course, subscribe with notifications so you can get notified every time I upload something new for vegan recipes all from around the world. Anyhow, folks, ciao for now.